Hey everyone, welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's DelfStack tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix Caramel Roblox Version Incorrect. Let's get into it. First, check if the game had an update. Open your Roblox player, look at the loading screen, and see if it downloads a fresh update. Note down if the game files just changed, which usually happens every week on a regular schedule. Because you need to know which side is causing the version error. You have to check this status so you understand why the two programs are fighting. Without this step, you might waste time changing settings on your computer when the real issue is just a new game file drop. Next, delete your old game folder. Go to your desktop files, find the folder where you keep your game, right-click on it, and send it to the trash. Empty your desktop recycle bin to make sure the old files are fully wiped off your system drive. By clearing out the old copy, you make room for a fresh download that knows how to talk to the new game version. It ensures your system stays neat and ready for the fresh files. Next, download the newest tool version. Open your web browser, go to the official Roblox page, and click the main download button. By downloading this brand new launcher, you get the version that has the matching key numbers. It is the key step to getting the right output because only the newest file can bypass the version check block. Right-click the new folder, click the button to unzip the files, open the fresh application icon, and then start your game. Watch the tool screen to see if the version error box stays gone and your script bar shows up cleanly. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.